Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson number 66. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we will learn about division of polynomials. Okay, let's dive into it. Let's look at our first example as given. 6x squared y cubed divided by minus 2 x cubed y squared. Now, we need to cancel coefficients with coefficients. So this expression then becomes 6 divided by minus 2 will be minus 3. X to the power 2 divided by x to the power 3 will be x to the power 2 minus 3, which will be x to the power negative 1. And then we have y cubed divided by y squared will equal to y 3 minus 2, which will be 1. So this ends up showing us minus 3, and x to the power x to the power negative 1 is the reciprocal of x. So that means it's down here at the bottom. X is placed down in the denominator part of our expression. And then at the top we have y, so we just have to leave it as just y. So this becomes our final answer. Okay, let's try out a second example then. This one's 8x to the power 5, y to the power 4, plus 12x squared, y to the power 5, minus 16x squared, y cubed. And this is all being divided by 4x cubed, y to the power 4. This is a little bit more complex, or it's a bigger expression to simplify or to divide through, but again, we'll do it step by step. So let's look at the coefficients. So we have 4 at the bottom, then we have 8, 12, and 16. And we can clearly see that they are all divisible by 4. So if we divide in the bottom 4 by 4, we get 1. But in the top expression, we will get 2x squared 2x to the power 5. But then we have x to the power 3 here. So this would be 2x to the power 5 minus 3, which will be 2. And next, we will have y to the power 4, and at the bottom we have y to the power 4. So those will cancel out. Then we say plus. Now next here, 4 and 12 will cancel out to give us 3. And then x squared divided by x cubed will give us x to the power negative 1, and then y divided by y to the power 5 divided by y to the power 4 will give us y to the power 1. Then minus 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. And then x squared divided by x cubed will give us x to the power negative 1. And then y to the power 3 divided by y to the power 4 will be y to the power 3 minus 4, which will be to the power minus 1. So then that means we can rewrite our expression as being 2x squared plus 3y divided by x, because this x to the power 1 becomes the reciprocal of x. And then this will be minus 4, and below we have x and y because they are all to the power -1. And so this becomes our final answer. All right. So that's how you divide those polynomials. And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.